Hello everyone. Welcome to this short video on Introduction to Critical Reasoning. Now what I want to do in this quick introduction video is tell you how to study critical reasoning in the most effective manner and how do you get the maximum value out of it. Now even before I tell you what are the areas within critical reasoning, let's try and get down into understanding what is critical reasoning all about. Now critical reasoning is nothing, but let's understand it this way. Critical reasoning is breaking the elements of any structure. It could be a sentence, it could be a thought, it could be any logical system. So, at a very broad level, if you break the finite elements of a logical system and try and study them in isolation, that's what critical reasoning is. And this series of lectures going ahead will try and cover all these areas of the elements that we are talking about so that we understand how a logical system works at a overall level. It is also one of the most interesting and logical areas which are asked in your exams purely because of the fact that there is no pre-reading which is involved. So a lot of it is logic based, and if you understand the elements well, you should be able to apply it to the question and get the answer faster. From a coverage perspective, around 10 to 15% of the questions of English will be from critical reasoning areas. There are certain exams like XAT and GMAT which focus heavily on this area, but all in all, it's an important element of your test. After the end of this course, I'm fairly confident that you will be more than able to understand each elements of the structure and how they work with each other. Since it's a heavily reasoning based area, I would request you to really go through these concept videos after this introduction so that you get a good grasp on the whole area. I am extremely confident that this course will act as a great booster for your entire critical reasoning journey and will really help you to ace these questions in the exams. Hope to see you soon in the upcoming lectures, and thank you for your time.